Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into the review, make sure to check the link below if you're looking to get your hands on the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo at the best price available today. It's one of the most impressive drones I've had the chance to test, and if you're into drones or thinking about upgrading your aerial footage game, this one's a must. Let's talk about the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo, DJI RC. A lightweight drone that delivers exceptional performance for beginners and experienced drone pilots alike. This drone is packed with impressive features that make it one of the best options in the market. First, the 4K camera is a game changer. Whether you're shooting cinematic footage or capturing your next adventure, the Mini 3 delivers incredibly sharp and detailed video quality. The vertical shooting feature is perfect for social media enthusiasts, allowing you to easily capture portrait-style shots for your Instagram and TikTok content. One of the standout features is the 3 batteries included in this Fly More combo. With a total flight time of up to 114 minutes, you get plenty of time in the air to capture the perfect shot. This is a huge upgrade compared to many other drones in this category, giving you more freedom to explore and less time worrying about recharging. The 32,800 feet, 10 kilometers, video transmission range ensures that you can fly the DJI Mini 3 over long distances without losing video quality or connection. Whether you're taking off in your backyard or flying across vast landscapes, the Mini 3 ensures stable and clear transmission, which is crucial when it comes to capturing beautiful footage. Another thing I love about the DJI Mini 3 is its lightweight design. Weighing under 249 grams, it's incredibly portable and easy to carry around. The compact design also makes it a perfect choice for beginners who may be intimidated by larger, more complex drones. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 delivers professional-grade performance, which is really impressive. The DJI RC controller provides a seamless flying experience. It's intuitive and user-friendly, which makes controlling the drone easy, even if you're new to flying. With improved stability and intelligent flight modes, you can easily master drone piloting in no time. Key features: 4K camera for ultra-sharp footage and photos. Vertical shooting for stunning portrait-style shots. 3 batteries included, providing up to 114 minutes of flight time. 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, video transmission for long-distance flying. Lightweight design, under 249 grams, dash grade for beginners. DJI RC controller for an intuitive flying experience. Intelligent flight modes for easy operation. Beginner-friendly, yet packed with features for pros. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo, DJI RC, is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their drone photography and videography to the next level. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced drone enthusiast, this model provides great value and amazing performance. It's portable, easy to use, and captures stunning aerial footage every time. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful drone, I highly recommend checking it out.